Welcome to our comprehensive guide. Today, we are exploring the Global Talent Visa, the premier route for world-leading professionals to live and work abroad. Imagine your career flourishing in the world's most innovative tech hubs and prestigious research institutions, where your unique skills are highly valued and sought after. Whether you are a scientist, an engineer, or a digital pioneer, this visa offers unparalleled flexibility and a direct path to permanent residency and success. The first step is understanding eligibility. You must be an exceptionally talented individual or a promising leader in one of the approved professional fields. These fields include science, medicine, engineering, and the humanities. Each sector has specific endorsing bodies that evaluate your contributions to your respective industry. In the world of digital technology, innovators and tech entrepreneurs are welcome to bring their expertise to thriving ecosystems and global tech giants alike. For those in arts and culture, this visa celebrates excellence in music, dance, theater, and visual arts, fostering a diverse and vibrant creative landscape. The application process is divided into two distinct stages. First, you must apply for an endorsement from a recognized body that validates your expertise. This stage requires comprehensive documentation, including letters of recommendation, evidence of your achievements, and a detailed record of your professional history and impact. Once your endorsement is secured, you move to the second stage, the formal visa application. This is where your personal and travel details are processed. Navigating this journey can be complex, which is why we created the Dream Abroad channel to support you every step of the way with expert advice. On Dream Abroad, we feature success stories from individuals who have successfully navigated the Global Talent Visa and are now thriving in their new homes. We provide detailed tutorials on document preparation, interview tips, and the latest updates on migration policies to ensure your application stands out to reviewers. Don't miss out on these valuable resources. Our goal is to make your dream of working abroad a reality by providing the most accurate information. Subscribe to Dream Abroad today and join our community of global talent. Let's build your international future together and achieve your professional goals.